Welcome. And today we'll see the demo of managing directories. So, our first demo will create all the English and Hindi deployment and services YAML file in a new directory. And we create a customization YAML for that and we'll apply it. We are not here giving any transformer, just we are giving the resources and applying. Transformer just modify and changes the resources, but don't touch the base file. So first of all, I create a new directory and then I'll create a file in it. So copy vi. No issue. It's a very simple file and you don't need just I'm copying it so that you can use any file to create it. So it's a second file of Hindi and now it's English SCR services and now all files are created. We need one more file that is so we'll type tree, but it is not installed. So I'm installing it. You need not be worried because I'm just showing it off. So it's the additional command. If you want, you can install, but no worries. If you want to install, then also things will go smooth. And now I'll write tree. So you'll see in new directory, these all files are there. So I need to create one customized file here, customize.yml, and I will take all this in this file. So I'll type resources. So wq control L. Now I come cd neo and I will type tree. Oh sorry, ls cd dot move. So control L. So you can see in here in neo there are files. All the files are there in new. So I can create a customize. Here customize I think not installed. So let's give ID hyphen L. So it is not found. So we can install, but I think it should work. Kubectl apply -k and this the current directory. So not okay. So what I will do, I will just install customize it. Now I'll build customize kubectl customize kubectl current directory customization.yml and let's I need to the same mistake what I had done here. Move pt customize.yml to YAML. So rm customize. So sorry guys. The first this file should be there. If typo error, it will not work. So kubectl customize, now it is showing you this all build up. It will not apply anything, but it will show the build up. Now I'll just apply. I can simply apply kubectl apply -k and -k current directory. So all services is created, and instead of applying, I delete. So all is deleted. So first part is over. So we have already come out of directory and now I will treat. So you will find that in Neokloud directory, these all files are there. Now I will move all files in different locations, and so I'll create two folder cd neo, and here I create kdir English and mkdir Hindi. And in English, I will move English file, and in Hindi, I will move Hindi file. So I'll move Neo Cloud ENG star to Neo in Hindi, sorry, English. So English here, CD. So now if I'll tree, you will find customization.file in the root this new directory, and here too. So I need to I can do like that. I need to edit this customization.yml file. So what I will do, I'll move this file. So pp customization.yml to neo, sorry, Hindi and English. Now I have to edit this customization main customization.yml file. Here I don't want anything. I just want Hindi and English. So I delete this. Here I can remove this. I can just write a directory here and here Hindi directory. And now I need to edit this. If I'll find tree again, so you'll find English directory content customization.yml file, Hindi directory content customization and main directory content the customization.yml file. So I need to create this customization.yml file. So I'll copy this and I'll edit this customization.yml file. So we are talking about the, oh shit. I need to go in English and I need to customization.yml file. So English customization.yml file, I need to delete Hindi and WQ. And in Hindi, I need to delete English. So cd dot dot and cd Hindi and vi customization.yml file. And now I need to delete Hindi, sorry, English and WQ. So Alice and now free again. Cd dot dot tr tree again. So here customization.ym first I'm providing this new directory. So new directory will point to this directory and this directory will trigger this and then all the things will done. So I'll just apply. I'm in the new directory, so I'll just so instead of scrolling, so I can like history, and I need to apply this command. So I can write this and 35. So just what mistake we have done? Let's check. Kubectl vi customization.yml file. Sorry, this I don't want. I can write this and this. So wq now history. So in history you can get the command. So I can first I will use this command. So just exclamation mark and 33 enter. You will find that that command is executed. And now again history. So here I'll find that this command I need to execute is the command number 34. So just exclamation mark and 34 and just enter. So all the services is created. I think it's a 35. Number will get changed or not. History. Yes, number would get no number wouldn't get changed. So 35 is the delete. So I can use 35 or I can use delete here. So all the resources would create it. So we had seen this case. Now what I will do, I will mix it. Means some I will directly create and some I'll mix it. So what I will do, I will remove this English directory. Means I'll just move this two file from English to here. So cp di cd English cp Neokloud English to Neo root Neo. So Neo. So ls cd dot dot ls. So I'll remove env rm minus r rf env. So double e. Now you'll see one customization.yml file and this so here customization.yml file customization.yml file here Hindi and English is only thing, but now we need to make entry of these two files also. So I'll just customization.yml and I have removed this English. So remove this English and here now our file is completed. Controller now customize. So all the things are created. So we have seen that three things. First, we have done this, then we have done this, and then we have done this. So all three way we have created the files. So you can arrange it in various ways. But main thing, customization.yml point to the right directory, and so the things would be fine. So thank you so much for your love and support. And in next video, we'll start transformers. And there are many transformers, and in each video, we'll get one transformer. And stay tuned. Thank you, and very thank you for 1,000 subscriber, 1K family. We are a family of 1K now. So thank you from the bottom of my heart, and please